Hello, everyone. We are Group 3S and we will present marketing strategy for KAESA. Starting with the research, in terms of company overview, we see that there are manufacturing plants and B2B boutiques that are the key partners. Key activities include design, sales and distribution, and marketing of the products. While some of the key resources are human resources, social media platforms, online and offline offerings. Uh, Moving on to the SWOT analysis, some of the strengths that KAESA has is it focuses on sustainable luxury with modern twist, and it is designed beautifully as per everyday function. It is vegan, eco-friendly, and it distributes through online and offline channels. Some of the weaknesses are that it's a startup company. It has a very defined target audience. It has a limited style, and it is not focused on customized product. Some of the opportunities that KAESA can utilize, it has a large potential market. Luxury handbags have large potential market. More people are becoming aware of the vegan products, and there is a rise in eco-friendly market. Some of the threats are older and more established competition with maximum media exposure, and marketing is not given any importance. In terms of pest analysis, some of the political factors is that KAESA is focusing in Korean audiences and markets, so it has to operate as per Korean government rules. And in terms of economic factors, the brand is easily accessible to working women in Korea, and it is a mid-range luxury bag company. And as we can see that handbags and accessory market in the past 5 years in Korea has grown substantially, and now it is at 3.1% in 2020. And in terms of customer analysis, we can see that compared to other countries, Koreans are spending more on the luxury goods. And
now we are presenting our solutions. The existing problems for KAESA right now is a strong competition from the existing and the long-established brand, and lack of more design and colors in the product, and there is a non-strategic brand promotion by the KAESA, and also there is a delay caused by the previous sales strategies. So in order to counteract these problems, the first solution includes virtual 3D models and 3D renderings, because virtuals are the key in the luxury brand marketing, and the traditional photo shoots actually cost a lot. We can actually opt virtual models for the product photos, and also these digital models provide rich and flexible photos, which will definitely catch the eye of the target audience as they're modeled according to our taste, and also they can be modified according to the customer preferences.
In terms of social media marketing, we face a problem that KAESA has low brand awareness and low user engagement on the social media websites. And if we look at the pandemic situation, we see that 80% of the purchases are being done online. So it is now a high time for KAESA to increase brand awareness through its Instagram and TikTok. And for Instagram, in terms of engaging the existing customers, like and commenting and replying to the customers using Instagram direct message, for customers to actually check out KAESA products, and following buyers will also help in retaining different customers. Then we'll move to the customer engagement, and how we will increase customer engagement is by generating visually appealing content, because in terms of fashion, when we talk about content, it is more related to the visuals and how the product is being how the product is being presented. So a video content that is showcasing the product, the production process, brand story, background of the raw materials, and some of the styling tips and how products can be inculcated into the lifestyle of the Koreans, can provide them and help them to visualize how they will use the product. So this will help in increasing user engagement and for more follows and likes. Secondly, we can also use Instagram giveaways and Instagram quiz stories to engage users and to bring more followers. And we also can utilize the brand hashtag, which will be like the uploading photos of how KAESA products have been styled by the customers. And this user-based content can be very effective and can be used on KAESA feed as well as with the hashtag that KAESA spotted, telling about the popularity and how users are using the products. Moving on to some other social media platforms, it includes TikTok, email marketing, and LinkedIn. More and more luxury brands are moving to TikTok for advertising, and establishing a TikTok account earlier can help KAESA build a large audience over a sustainable period of time. Video content that will be made for Instagram can be utilized for TikTok as well, using famous hashtags such as Mother's Day, International Women's Day, and Earth Day can help KAESA enter and become a part of bigger conversations and get conversions to effective storytelling using these events.
Besides all the above solutions, this is also one of the solutions. Like we can focus on the blog so that the few readers could get good read about the articles and they could feel drawn towards.
Conclusion, the merit analysis of the proposed solution for the first solution, that is virtual model and 3D rendering, it is faster, easier to develop, rich visual content, and it's less expensive and gives the brand a sophisticated edge. As for the establishing ideal customer persona, there will be emotional connection due to the resonance, and there is a clear communication of the brand values. And as for the blog marketing, website can boost through some interesting content. There will be huge exposure and audience will be influenced with the eco-friendly products. And coming to the risk analysis of the proposed solution, for the first solution, like some customers might actually prefer real life model pictures, and also in the case of ideal customer persona, it might be difficult to compass all the niche traits, and it might disrupt other domains of audience. And also they need more work if KAESA wants to venture into men's line in future.